Happy birthday, paring June! I wish you good health and more blessings in life. May all your heart's desire and wishes come true. More power to your business. God bless you and your family. Again, happy birthday. Enjoy your wonderful day. Bye! Brother June, happy birthday! Nahabol ko ang iyong kapugian. Mask muna. Sana mamukhaan mo ako. Happy birthday, Brother June.
Hey June, happy birthday. I love you. Ikaw ang inspirasyon ko sa buhay. Everyday ikaw tinatawagan ko dahil natututo ako sa'yo. Good night.
Hello Kuya Jun Calma. Happy birthday sa'yo. Sa mga tunay na tropa sa larangan ng industriya. Pinakamamahal kong kuya yan sa larangan ng car dealers. Sa mga tunay. Mabuhay ka pa. Magpalain ka pa nawa. Love you kuya.
Happy birthday, Tito June. Wish ko sana sa birthday mo, masaya ka. Sama mong pamilya, handaan. At sana sa birthday mo, matupad lahat ng hinihiling mo. Sana lahat ng wish mo ay matupad. More sales, Tito June. More blessings to come. And again, happy birthday. Enjoy your special day, Tito June.
Hello, Kuya Jun naming Pogi. Happy birthday sa'yo. Wishing you good health and more success sa business mo. Ayun, so again, happy birthday and hope you have a splendid year ahead.
Boss June, ang aming kuya sa aming poker buddies. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day. Wish you good health, more success, and miss ka na namin, so hope to see you soon. At dahil birthday mo ngayon, pinaghanda na kita. Pinanghanda mo at may mga gustong bumati sa'yo. Happy birthday, Boss June.
Hi, Boss June. Happy 18th birthday. Wishing you good health, great mind and great body. Wishing you more sales and more blessings. Hopefully this coming year will be continuously fruitful to you and your family. I'm wishing you the best and hope to see you soon. Bye.
Happy birthday, Boss June. Alam namin na isa ka sa pinaka-pundasyon ng ating samahan. Na kahit may konting problema, malayo ka man, alam namin nandiyan ka para sa grupo. Sana tuloy ang iyong paggagabay sa ating samahan bilang ikaw naman ang pinaka-matanda sa grupo. Again, happy birthday, Boss June. Pagpatuloy mo lang ang pagiging mayabang at patuloy mo ang maraming benta. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Boss June!